Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet ears. Learn to crochet ears. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now for next 2 continuous stitches, make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. See, in first stitch we make 2 double crochet stitches. This is the first stitch, we are making 2 double crochet stitches. In next stitch again we will make 2 double crochet stitches. One more. So first we made 3 chain crochet stitches in first stitch, then we made 2 double crochet stitches, next stitch again 2 double crochet stitches. Now we will make 3 chain crochet stitches and add it with the next stitch with a slip stitch. There we go, with the slip stitch. Now we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Okay, now we make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Only that 4 stitches where we made like 2 double crochet stitches, 2 double crochet stitches, okay, and those 3 chain crochet stitches we are not going to make in that. Only in the that part we are leaving of the circle. Rest all the circle we are making 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. So this is how it looks. Now for last round we will just make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around the ear. Okay, 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around the ear, and done. Our ear is done. So following exactly same pattern, we make one more ear. I'll show you both of them. Now crochet ears are ready. Now here we are used it for like Santa Claus applique, but in other appliques also you can use these crochet ears. And as you have seen, whole video was with detailed instructions, step by step explanation was there, and I have given you almost complete instructions for each and every step. So I hope so you find it easy to understand. It was not that difficult. So please, if you have liked the video, like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. See, this is how we assemble our 2 ears for Santa Claus applique. uh, And as I said, you can use it for other appliques also. I'll just show you how we assemble it. See, uh, just keep like 1 ear's left side little bit below that face applique, and 1 ear right side below that face applique, so like it gives that 3D look. So this is how the final piece will look like. See how the ears are looking so good, like human ears. So please, if you like the video, like, comment, share and subscribe. Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. Plus already many applique videos are there on my YouTube channel, and like all videos are with written instructions, step by step explanation. So thanks for being till end. Like, comment, share and subscribe.